In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Google Play apps before installing. If you download apps regularly, taking a minute to check that an app is safe can help protect your device, your data, and your privacy. A lot of apps are legitimate, but it's still smart to be cautious before tapping install. And the first thing you should do is enable Google Play Protect. This is Google's built-in security feature that checks apps before you download them and continues scanning your device regularly for potentially harmful software. Think of it as your first layer of defense. If it's turned on, you have an extra level of screening happening in the background, which can help catch dangerous apps before they cause problems. If you haven't checked this setting in a while, it's a good idea to make sure it's active before installing anything new. Next, make sure you're downloading apps only from trusted sources. The safest option is to stick with major app stores like the Google Play Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, or Amazon App Store. These platforms routinely monitor and scan apps for suspicious behavior and fraudulent activity. That said, even trusted stores are not perfect, so don't assume that every listing is automatically safe. Before you install an app, take a close look at its ratings and reviews. Reviews can reveal patterns like bugs, scams, aggressive ads, or privacy concerns that you might not notice from the app description alone. It's also worth checking the app's privacy policy. This gives you a better idea of how the app collects, uses, and protects your personal information. If an app asks for more data than seems necessary, or if the privacy details are vague, that's a sign to slow down and evaluate more carefully. Finally, consider using third-party antivirus software on your device. As tablets and mobile devices become more common, more security companies are offering antivirus tools designed specifically for mobile protection. Some free options are legitimate and effective, but if you want stronger coverage, it can be worth choosing a security solution from a well-established company. These tools may include features like malware detection, web protection, and ongoing scans that add another layer of safety beyond the App Store itself. Some of these services are available through monthly or yearly subscriptions, and pricing may vary depending on the features included. Even so, the added protection can be well worth it if you want better peace of mind when installing apps. By using Google Play Protect, downloading only from trusted sources, checking reviews and privacy policies, and adding antivirus protection, you can make much safer decisions before installing any app.